About lathe machine, there are different kind of lathe machines. Generally, we are going to study this year 6 different kind of lathe machines. Among them, first is speed lathe. Speed lathe contains only 3 important parts as headstock, tailstock and bed. Generally, this speed lathe is used in carpentry work. As name indicates, its spindle speed is more and generally it is used for soft metals. Our second lathe machine is engine lathe. With the help of an engine, we are going to rotate spindle of the lathe machine. Therefore, it is called speed lathe. It is called engine lathe. In most of the workshops, engine lathe is used. For all kind of work, engine lathe is usable. Third comes automatic lathe. All the operations in this lathe machine are performed automatically. You have to set program for that and all the operations will be completed. A worker at a time can operate 3 to 4 lathes of this kind. Our next machine is special purpose lathe. This special purpose lathe is for unique jobs. So in this, we can find missile lathe, gap bed lathe. These are special purpose lathe. For unique jobs only, these lathes are used. Our next machine is numerical control lathe. With the help of number program, lathe machine is operated and all the operations are performed. That's why it is called numerical control lathe. In this way, we have in all 6 different type of lathes which we are going to study in this year.